Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. If you like, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, do all that good stuff. If you're already subscribed to my channel, welcome back and thank you for being subscribed. So I want to explain to y'all what's been going on, why I haven't been posting. So basically, yeah, I had a lot going on with the space and the memory on my camera, and for some reason it wouldn't like store anything, so I was having problems with that. So that's why I haven't been posting, and I've been a little bit busy with some more projects that I got going on, which you guys will see really soon, I promise you. But yeah, here is what we're going to be doing today. I'm doing a detachable braid video. I'm gonna be cutting in and out, but that's the hair I'm gonna be using. I already showed you guys the cap. What I didn't realize is that that is a guy's cap. So when I was at the store and I bought it, I really wasn't paying attention, but there, yeah, that's a guy's hat. And so whenever I wore it, it did hurt the front of my head, so you will see a little bit later in the video. I did end up purchasing two different hats just because I did like the wig and how it turned out. And so yeah, I wasn't feeling that. I didn't know at the time when I bought it though. But right now I'm just adding the braids onto the inside of the band, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just adding the braids in there, and later I'm gonna cut it off, which I don't record myself doing that because initially that wasn't supposed to be in the video. It was supposed to have been left like that, but like I said, the front was hurting my forehead whenever I wore the wig, so I ended up cutting that whole band off where I'm sewing the braids onto. And yeah, I took some buttons and that I got from, I want to say Michael's. I got them from Michael's, and I ended up just sewing them onto the bends of the new hats. And then, I'm sorry y'all, it's a lot. And so I ended up sewing the buttons onto the inside of the band to the new hats. And then the other part of the buttons that you actually snap together, I sewed that onto what you are looking at now, which is the braided part. So that way the buttons would be able to snap and it will hold onto the new wig cap, which it'll make sense in a minute. I'm sorry y'all, but it's a lot. Okay, so yeah, you'll see a little bit later in the video what I'm talking about, because I'll show you guys. But I just wanted to explain what's been going on and stuff like that, because I know I've been a little bit MIA, but I had some stuff going on with all of that. So thank you guys for still watching my video. If you decided to continue to watch me, thank you, I appreciate it. And I'm gonna be quiet now so y'all can watch me do this. And like I said, if I need to chime in, I will. All right. Okay, so right here what I'm doing is I'm just sewing the band to the cap, only where you see the white writing at, just so that once I'm putting the cap on, it doesn't like fall down and then you end up seeing the whole part of the beginning of the braids that I sewed down to the band of the hat. So that's all I'm doing right here. So now I'm just showing you guys what I've done so far. And I did add some combs in there, as you can see, just for some extra security to make sure, it ain't just easily slipping and sliding off your head. And it did work. And so I'm going to add more hair, more braids in a second, because I did try it on and I thought it was still a little bit too thin for my liking. So yeah, I'm gonna add some more braids in, and I did use the whole pack of black, and then I guess that's like an orange color or a reddish color. I used most of that, but I think I had like maybe 12 left. Okay, so as you can see, I'm finally done with the hats. I think it's really cute. It's full enough for me. I like it. And so this part I decided to add into the video because I thought it was a fun little project that I decided to do. So I ended up using the shoe charms that everybody has been using for the Crocs, and I decided to put them on one of the hats that I bought from Michael's. And yeah, I thought it turned out kind of cute. So I wanted to show you guys that, just in case anybody wanted to see. And the red hat, I did something different with that one. I just had a few little things laying around the house that I wanted to kind of get rid of, and so I decided to put that on the red hat. So I would have two separate hats, and then the hats are super plain, and I didn't want them to be plain, so that's why I decided to do this. But yeah. Oh, and all of those, all the shoe charms, I got all of those from Etsy. So right here, I'm just tearing off um, the black part that goes inside the shoes. I'm not sure what that's called, but that's what I'm doing right here. And also, I wanted to tell you guys, don't listen. The E6000 glue was giving me kind of a hard time, so I wish I would have used some different glue, but you know, I didn't know at the time, and it is what it is. I still got it done, but it was kind of crazy. Like, it was so wet, and oh my god, it gave me a hard time. But I'm gonna speed through the rest of this. Alright, and this is what they ended up looking like. I thought they were super cute. Okay, so I already cut the braids off of the band, as you can see. I'm just showing you guys, and this is what I was talking about in the beginning of the video when I said that you will be able to, attach the braids in with the buttons or whatever. So I'm just showing you guys that is what I was talking about. And the white part on the inside of the head where I cut the band off, y'all, it's bothering me. I'm not gonna lie, it's really bothering me, but I can't do nothing about it really. And it would have been way neater than that. Like, you wouldn't have been able to see that if I would have planned on doing that from the beginning, but I didn't. So that's how it ended up looking when I cut it. So it is what it is, but you can't see that anyway, so it don't matter. But yeah, and that's how this ended up being a detachable braided wig. Those are the buttons that I used.